Hey everybody, I'm Tyler Owens.
And I'm Monsesca Singh.
And we are your Spokane, Washington realtors.
And outer area.
That is right. We are just west of Spokane today in 9 Mile Falls. Here's the address below just in case you missed it.
This home is absolutely huge on the inside, but also huge views behind us, which we are obviously using for likes on the internet. It is absolutely gorgeous and definitely you do not want to miss this.
All right, enough about us.
Go ahead and take a look at the walkthrough now.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. We could not get enough of that view. How'd you like the home?
If you would like to take a look at this home or any other home in the Spokane area
And the surrounding areas.
Please don't hesitate to give us a call. My name is Monsesca Singh.
And my name is Tyler Owens.
And we're your Spokane, Washington realtors.